Hey guys, this is Tisha from MS Hot Tips. Today we're going to talk about, for a change, another piece of software by Microsoft, which is Power BI. As you can see on my screen, today we're going to see how to reset all of the filters on a BI report. Let's get started. As you can see here, I've got a heat map, and what can happen, unfortunately, is that somebody can actually get lost while clicking through the different levels of the of that heat map. To make sure that they don't draw false conclusion based on the wrong filtering of the data, we're going to provide them with a button that they can use to reset all of the filters. Let me show you how it works. The idea is to initially create a bookmark on the report when it is actually free of all of the filters. So there's no filter on, and we're going to actually create a bookmark. So we go to the view panel and we enable the bookmark pane. And what we do is just add a bookmark that I'm going to call go to page 1. So that's done. And now I'm going to actually create a button going back to the home menu. I'm going to add a shape. I'm going to position my shape here just for the example. I'm going to give it a brighter color. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is to associate an action with this shape. So the action is actually here. I'm going to enable the action. Action targets the bookmark, and whichever bookmark is the one that says goes to page 1. Go to page 1. So now this is done. I'm going to test. I'm drilling through my dashboard, and as a reminder, all of the data here is rubbish, so don't take anything personally if you're Canadian. Once I'm here, I'm going to click on that button in order to go back to the highest level of my report where it has no filters on. I click, and indeed I go back to the country code level, which is the highest level of my dashboard, of my report, sorry, as you can see here. That's all for today. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.